Hi, welcome to all. I am Sandhya from Maharani Science College for Women, Mysore. This is cloud computing and big data analytics. Now I am going to discuss about analytics and its necessaries. Firstly, we will discuss about what is analytics. Analytics is the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. It is also entails applying data patterns towards effective decision making. In other words, big data analysis is a study of huge amounts of stored data in order to extract behavior patterns. These data are characterized by the high speed they are being generated with the huge volume. They represent the immense variety of typology. They encompass endless degree of veracity. They are more than 2.5 trillion bytes of information are generated every day through our smartphones, tablets, GPS devices, sensors spread all over our cities' bank cards. Mainly, the main purpose of data analytics is the process of data analysis uses analytical and logical reasoning to gain information from the data. The main purpose of data analysis is to find meaning in data so that the derived knowledge can be used to make informed decisions. Then we will discuss what are the necessaries of analytics. Analytics allow you to quantify the effects of making a change to your marketing strategy, and that's invaluable to the process of improving and optimizing online marketing campaigns. The purpose of data analytics is to extract useful information that can be used for decision making, predictions, and many other things. Data analysis is a process of applying statistical practices to organize, represent, describe, evaluate, and interpret data. Then, business analytics is the process by which businesses use statistical methods and technologies for analyzing historical data in order to gain new insight and improve strategic decision making. Business analytics uses data to inform decisions and improve accuracy, efficiency, and response time. The ability to measure accomplishments against overall goals. Business analytics gives you a clearer image of goals and objectives. Then it helps you monitor the progress of your mission. Quantified values and data help the business improve their analytical process by evaluating the data to gain a clearer picture of what to expect from the employees. It helps to increase efficiency. Business analytics can gather a large amount of data at a fast rate and display it in a formulated and appealing way to help achieve specific organizational goals. Then it helps you be updated. Customers tend to change their minds easily. If swayed by better offers, analytics gives you insight into how your target market thinks. Data analytics is important because it helps business optimize their performances. Implementing it into the business model means companies can help reduce costs by identifying more efficient ways of doing business and by storing large amounts of data. Then a company can also use data analytics to make better business decisions and help analyze customer trends and satisfaction. Data analytics and scientists use data analytics techniques in their research, and business also use it to inform their decisions. Data analysis can help companies better understand their customers, evaluate their ad campaigns, personalize content, create content strategies, and develop products. Then, cloud business analytics strategy that helps client achieve their business objectives faster with less risk and at a lower cost. We will discuss about what we will understand by the data analytics and its necessaries. Data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data in order to make conclusions about the information. The techniques and process of data analytics have been automated into mechanical processes and algorithms that work over raw data for human consumption. We should learn data analytics because analytics is very important, because analytics is everywhere. If our applications and documents are in the cloud and are not saved on an office server, then we can access easily and use them at any time, anywhere for our working, whether we are at work, at home, or even at a friend's home. The blind benefit of the cloud is, even if we lose our laptop or due to some crisis or personal computer and the desktop system gets damaged, still our data and files will stay safe and secured as these are not in our local machines. High demand. This is the obvious benefit to learning data analytics and the one most often focused on by students in higher education. Gain problem solving skills at heart, analytics is all about solving problems. It is only becoming more important. These are the references of data analytics and necessaries. Then thank you all. Thank you for watching my video.